Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I'll be presenting my task management system project. This program was developed to help users manage their to-do items through functionalities like listing tasks, adding new tasks, deleting tasks, and updating existing tasks. To start, I broke down the project into smaller, manageable functions. I created a detailed decomposition diagram that outlines each function's role. Fortunately, I wasn't able to make the due date for the decomposition. I did it one day late, but yeah. One major challenge was validating user input. For example, ensuring that the date input was in the correct, like, month, day, and year with the slashes, and that the Boolean fields accepted various forms like yes, no, or just like the abbreviated forms like Y and that required careful coding. Additionally, matching the output format expected by the autograder was really demanding and hard because it was really syntax heavy, and I still wasn't able to get it 100% right by the end. Fortunately, I ran out of time, and yeah, it demanded a lot of rounds of just like adjustment and testing, as probably shown by how many times I submitted. Okay, now let me walk you through one of the more complex functions. This function, update_helper, it starts by printing all the tasks within their indexes so that the user can easily identify the task they wish to update. And then once the user enters a valid task ID, the function prints out the full details of the selected task. Then this allows the user to review the current values before making any changes. And then it prompts the user with, enter the field name without listing the valid options in line as, per the project requirements. After receiving the new value, update helper calls update task, which validates the input and then updates the task if the new value meets the required criteria. And then this kind of careful step-by-step process just ensures the task not only updated with valid data, keeping the system user-friendly. Throughout the project, I learned just the value of like modular design and really just the importance of going round by round and testing the program to make sure it runs smoothly and with no errors and has the right output. Writing the assert statements for each function helped me catch and fix the edge cases early, and just doing a lot of rounds or finding the output just ensured that my code met the autograder's strict requirements. I would say working on this project has greatly improved my skills in input validation, error handling, and code organization. In conclusion, the task management system project was really a comprehensive exercise, and just in general, just designing and implementing and testing and everything, just making sure it's a fully functional interactive program. It was especially difficult, in my opinion, to just meet the autograder's requirement, as I stated previously, just because of how everything needs to be perfectly like what the expected output is, and that was really hard to match and try to find what areas of my code didn't or had the problem in creating it. So yeah, thank you for the time to review my work, and I hope this presentation provided clear insights into my development process. Thank you.